morning, students. Now let us continue chapter circle. I am doing example 16, page number 24.12 for Adi Sharma. I am reading the question. Find the equation of the image of circle x square plus y square plus 8x minus 16y plus 64 equal to 0 in the line mirror x equal to 0. What is x equal to 0? X equal to 0 is y-axis. You have to find the equation of the image of the circle with the y-axis. Line mirror, the line mirror is y-axis, and you have to find the equation of the circle. For that, we have to find the center of the required circle. First of all, how we can find center of this circle? Implies x square plus 8x plus 16. We are adding 16 to make it perfect square plus y square minus 16y plus 64. Since we are adding 16 on left side, you have to add 16 on right side, that is 16. That implies x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square is equal to 4 square. That means this becomes, in order to convert in basic form, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, we can write this as x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square equal to 4 square. That means clearly the center of the circle is, center is equal to minus 4 comma 8 and radius equal to 4 units. Now we have to find center of the required circle that is forming by the mirror image of the line x equal to 0. For that we have to draw the figure. That is, let x or x dash, y or y dash be the coordinate axis, and mirror image of x equal to 0. X equal to 0 represents y axis. Y axis के mirror के हिसाब से इसका जो mirror image जो बनेगा उस सर्कल का इक्वेशन बताना है. Now the center of the required circle is, let me draw the figure first of all. Center of the required circle is that we have found as minus 4 comma 8. That since minus 4 comma 8 is in second quadrant, I am drawing like this. Now the mirror image will be this side. That means since x equal to 0 is considering the plane mirror image of x equal to 0 is considering the line mirror. Then since this is first quadrant becomes 4 comma 8. Now again by same thing, since this is in left side, this is in right side, only center will change and radius will remain same. Therefore, this is the equation of circle C1, this is equation circle C2. You have to find equation of the circle C2. Now equation of the required circle is equal to equation of the circle C1. The circle C1 by using the central form you get x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square equal to 4 square. Since radius will remain same, that implies we will get, this becomes let me check, x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square to 4 square. By solving in x square minus 8x plus 16 plus y square minus 16y plus 64 is equal to 4 square. That means by cancellation you get x square minus 8x, sorry, first of all write in ascending order, x square plus y square minus 8x minus 16y plus this is 4 square, 64 equal to 0. This is the equation of the image of the given circle by the line mirror x equal to 0, that is y-axis. Next question is example 18 of the same page number. I am reading the question. Find the equation of circle with whose radius is 5, which touches the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0 externally at the point 5. You are asked to find the equation of circle whose radius is 5 and which touches another circle externally at the point 5. So what is the equation of the given circle? The equation of the given circle is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. First of all, we have to find its center, that is x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 4y plus 2 square is 4 is equal to, let me check, is equal plus 4 minus 20 is equal to 0. That means let us take the values. We have add 1 with 1 and 4 here, so that you have to add 1 on the right side also, that is 1 plus 4. That means becomes x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 20 plus 5, 25, that is equal to 5 square. That is center of the required circle is, when you are given a circle in standard form, you have to general form, you have to find its center. Center is 1, 2. This is center of the given circle. Now we have to find another the equation of another circle which touches the given circle. That means you have to draw a figure. Let C1 be the given circle and C2 be the circle whose equation is to be found out. The center of given circle is 1, 2. That is, this is O, this is O dash, and this circle, you are given that the required circle touches this circle at the point 5, 5. We get it point BP. Now you have to find O dash. If you can find O dash, then you can use the formula for finding. Let me draw the figure little bit appropriate. Then you can find the if you can find O dash, you can find the equation using the central form of equation of circle. How we can find equation? Radius will be remain same. For that, let me join O dash. That is, since P is the midpoint, P is the midpoint of O dash. P is the midpoint of O dash. Let the required circle center be alpha beta. Then by midpoint formula, 1 plus alpha by 2 is equal to 5. This is 5, 5. 5, 5. And 2 plus beta by 2 is equal to 5. This is beta. So that again by solving you can find the alpha beta. Alpha is equal to, you will get the value of alpha. Let me check. The value of alpha is equal to 9. 10 minus 1, that is 9. And value of beta is equal to 8. Now by central form of equation of circle, by central form, and you are given that the radius of the equation of the radius of the required circle is also 5. That means x minus h whole square. Hk is alpha beta, that is 9 or 8. X minus 9 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square is equal to 5 square. 5 square. If you want to, but I am stopping here. You can solve it and convert it in standard form. This is the example 18 of page number 24.12. Next question is example 21. Example 21 of page number 24.15. I am leaving number of questions. You have to do the rest by yourself. Show that the equation of circle which touches the coordinate axis and whose center lies on the line Lx plus My plus n equal to 0 is L plus m whole square into x square plus y square plus 2n into L plus m into x plus y plus m square equal to 0. You are given that you have to find the equation of circle which touches coordinate axis. As I told you yesterday, the circle which touches the coordinate axis radius a, the center is a comma a. Then equation of the given required circle equation, and also you are given that this center lies on the line. Center lies on the line Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0. Now equation of the circle with center AA, with the center AA is, and radius again r, is x minus a whole square plus y minus a whole square is equal to a square. Now if you solve it, you get x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2ay is equal to 2ax plus 2ay. This is 2a square minus 2a square minus a square, that is a square equal to 0. This is equation 1. Now you are given that CAA lies on Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0. So that you can replace x and y by a. That is LA plus MA plus na, n equal to 0, n is constant. Now by solving this, you will get a into L plus m equal to n, that is a is equal to a into L plus m equal to minus n, then a equal to minus n upon L plus m. This is equation number 2. Now in order to find the equation of the required circle, you have to put value of 2 in 1, because what you are asked to prove, it contains L or m and n only, so that a should be eliminated. By putting 2 in 1, we will get, otherwise 2 in 1 gives x square, that is x square will remain as it is, you have to change only a, x square plus y square minus 2ax minus plus 2nx upon L plus m plus 2ny upon L plus 1. We are just replacing a by minus n upon L plus m, plus next term is plus a square is equal to 0. That means we have replaced the value. Now I am not going to show you the simplification step. By simplification you will get L plus m whole square by taking LCM. L plus m whole square into x square plus y square. This step you have to do by yourself. I am not going to do. L plus m whole square into x square plus y square plus 2n into x plus y. Otherwise, let me write here 2n into x plus y, 2n into x plus y into L plus m plus n square is equal to 0. By solving this, you will get L plus m whole square into x square plus y square plus 2n into x plus y into L plus m plus n square equal to 0. This is the example 21. Next is example 22 of the same page number. This is an NCERT exemplar. Page number is 24.15 NCERT exemplar. I am reading the question. Find the equation of circle which touches both the axis and the line 3x minus 4y plus 8 equals 0 lies in third quadrant. That means you are given a circle which touches the coordinate axis in the third quadrant. And third quadrant means circle go in this way. Draw the figure in the proportionate way. This is the circle, and what you are given, and this circle touches the line 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal 0. ये लाइन को टच भी कर रहे, एक सर्कल एक लाइन को भी टच कर रहा है. Let me draw little bit top, and this line is given as 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Now since the circle lies on third quadrant, center B minus a comma minus a both are negative, and the radius of the circle we can assume as a. ये radius a assume किया तभी center minus a हो गया. Center of the circle is, center of the given circle as per condition is minus a comma a minus a, where r is equal to radius equal to a. Then equation becomes x plus a whole square plus y plus a whole square is equal to r square, that is a square, that is x square plus 2ax plus a square plus y square plus 2ay plus a square is equal to a square. Both a square are getting cancelled. We get x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2ay plus a square is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Now see, if I draw a perpendicular from this center to this one, this becomes radius. Here distance, perpendicular distance of a point from a line, this will give you radius, since the line touches circle at the point P. Now why we can find radius? We have assumed radius equal to a. Cp is equal to mod ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root a square plus b square. If you put the values, x1 y1 is minus a, and the line is 3x minus 4y plus 8 equals 0. 3 into minus a plus 4 into a plus 8 upon root 3 square plus 4 square, that is 9 plus 16. That implies minus 3a plus 4a plus 8 upon 5. That is mod a plus 8 upon 5. Now you are given that mod, we are taking modulus sign because this distance. We have assumed that, otherwise as per assumption आपने रेडियस क्या assume किया a. As per assumption mod a plus 8 upon 5 is equal to a. That means we have to take positive value. A plus 8 is equal to 5a implies 4a equal to 8 implies a equal to 2. That means we got the value of a equal to 2. Now the question is not completing here. Now you have to put the value of a equal to 2 in the equation 1. What was the equation 1? X square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2ax plus 2ay plus a square equal to 0. That is equation 1. Putting a equal to 2 in 1, you will get x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the equation of the given circle as per the given condition. Next question is example 24. Example 24, page number 24.16. I am reading the question. This is again NCERT exemplar. This is again NCERT exemplar. I am reading the question, example 24 of page number 24.16. A circle has radius 3 units and its center lies on the line y equal to x minus 1. Find the equation of circle passes through the point 73. Now, you are given that the radius of the given circle is 3 and its center lies on the line y equal to x minus 1. It passes through the point 73. The coordinates of the line we can consider for convenience x equal to t. T is any variable that whose value is to be found out, y equal to t minus 1. Now the coordinates of the center is t comma t minus 1 by this one. Now by central form of a circle, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, x minus t whole square plus y minus t minus 1 whole square is equal to r square is 3 square. Now by solving this you will get, now this we have to find t. For finding t, you are given that this circle passes through the point 73, so that you can replace x by 7 and y by 3. One passes through 7 3 comma 7 minus t whole square. 7 3 implies 7 minus t whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equal to 9. Now 7 minus t whole square, y not y, and y is 7. 1 minute. The point is 7 comma 3. 3 minus t minus 1, that is, this becomes, once more you have to change it. 3 minus t minus 1, that is 4 minus t whole square equal to 3 square. Now how we can solve it? By solving this you will get, if you solve this left side, I am not going to show you all the step, and by transferring 9 to left side you will get t square. That means अगर आप 7 minus t whole square plus 4 minus t whole square equal to 9 को solve करेंगे, you will get a quadratic equation t. That is, this step you have to do by yourself. T square minus 11t plus 28 is equal to 0. This you can do here since you are in class 11. Now by splitting return you will get t minus 4 into t minus 7 is equal to 0, implies t is equal to 4 or t is equal to 7. That means we got two values of t. Now in order to find the equation of the circle, we got two values of t. One t is 4 and other t is 7. By putting t equal to 4 in equation 1, we will get t equal to 4 in equation 1, you get x minus 4 whole square plus next term is y minus 4 minus 1, that is y minus 3 whole square is equal to 3 square. This you can solve by yourself to get in standard form. Now by putting t equal to 7 in equation 1, you will get, what is the next equation? X minus 7 is t minus 7, that is x minus 7 whole square. 7 minus t whole square is x minus 7 whole square, and second equation is let me check, x minus t whole square plus y minus t minus 1 whole square. What was the equation 1? equation one once more I am explaining. First equation one is x minus t whole square plus y minus t minus 1 whole square is equal to 3 स्क्वायर था. ये इक्वेशन वन है. इस वन में t इक्वल टू 4 पुट कर लिया, x माइनस 4 होल स्क्वायर by putting x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square 3 square. Now up you have to put t equal to 7. You get these x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equal to 3 square. This is the second equation. That means we got two equation of the required circle whose center lies on the line y equal to x minus 1 and radius equal to 3 and passes through the point 7, 3. Next question is again example 25 of page number 24.17, and this question is again NCERT exemplar. NCERT exemplar. And I am reading the question. You also open ID Sharma in front of you when you watch the video so that you can get a clear idea about the question. Find the equation of circle with centers 3, minus 1 which cuts off the chord of length 6 units on the line 2x minus 5y plus 18 equals 0. You are asked to find equation of a circle having center 3, minus 1 which cuts off a chord of length 6 centimeter. It is the AB is the chord and C is the center, which cuts off a chord of length 6 units on the line. This is the chord and this line is represented by the equation 2x minus 5y plus 8 equal to 0. Now, if you draw a perpendicular from these to this point, this CL is perpendicular to AB implies AL equal to BL because perpendicular from center to any chord bisects it. The radius, since you are given the center, you have to find the radius. आपको सेंटर दे रखा है, रेडियस फाइंड आउट करना है. रेडियस फाइंड आउट करना है तो ट्रायंगल ALC में आपको पाइथागोरस लगाने के लिए you have to find the length of the segment CL. How we can find length of segment CL? CL is the length of perpendicular from which point? From center to this line, from 3, minus 1 to the line 2x minus 5y plus 8 equals 0. Again the topic of straight line is coming. Distance of a point from a line is mod ax1 plus b1 plus c upon root a square plus b square. Therefore CL is equal to mod ax1 2 into 3 plus 5 into 1 plus 8 upon under root of 4 plus 25. That means if you solve this 1 minute, that means this becomes 6 plus 5 plus 8 upon root 29. It is the distance. Let me rub the figure. That is 6 plus 5 plus 18. Sorry, this equation of the line is 18. Sorry, one correction is to be done. 18. So that becomes 18. That is 18 plus 5, 29. 29 plus 6, 18 plus 5, 23 plus 6, 29. By cancellation, you will get CL is equal to, in the figure, you should remember figure root 29. Now in right triangle, कौन सा triangle था? Right triangle CLA मैंने नेम दिया था. By Pythagoras theorem, you will get CA is the radius circle is equal to under root of CL square plus AL square. Figure ध्यान रखना. CA is equal to under root of CL square plus PL square. That is CL square is 29 plus 6. Total length of the chord was 6, and since it is perpendicular from center, bisect it so that AL equal to 3. That is root 29 square plus 3 square, root 29 whole square plus 3 square. 1 minute. The formula is by Pythagoras theorem CA square. After that we will find the length. In right triangle CAL, by Pythagoras theorem CA square, that is the radius square, is equal to CL square plus AL square. That CL square is root 29 whole square plus 3 square. That is 29 plus 9, that is 38. Therefore, radius of the required circle R is equal to under root 38. Now, by central form of the given equation of circle, h and k is 3 comma minus 1, h comma k equal to 3 comma minus 1. You will get using the formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square r square, x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to r square. What is given the radius? You are given the radius as that we have found out this is CS square equal to 38 implies CA is equal to root 38. The root 38 a radius of the given circle, that is equal to root 38 whole square. Now by resolving it, you will get by converting standard form x square plus y square minus 6x plus 2y, 38 minus 10, that is 28, minus 28 equal to 0. This is the equation of circle. Once more I am explaining this. You are given a circle, आपको एक circle दे रखा है जिसका center है 3, -1 and it cuts a chord of length 6 unit on the line 2x minus 5y plus 18 equals 0. ये मैंने 8 लिखा था, 18 करेक्ट कर लेना. तो perpendicular from center to any chord, bisect it using this concept. The length AB equal to 6 means AL equal to LB equal to 3 units, and CL is the distance of center from the line 2x minus 5y plus 18 karna correction equal to 0. Then you will get the length of the perpendicular is root 29. By applying Pythagoras theorem, you will get radius CA equal to root 38. Then by forming using central form of equation line, you will equation of circle, you will get x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equal to root 38 whole square. By solving it, you will get x square plus y square minus 6x plus 2y minus 28 equal to 0. This much is sufficient for today's class. I hope that you understood these questions. If any queries, you can ask me. I am again suggesting you do these questions 2 to 3 times, especially NCR. Take some blood, don't avoid it. See you again in the next class. Thank you.